10 daily habits that'll absolutely ruin the quality of your hair. As a guy, you got to know that at some point in your life you're going to go bald. And if you don't fix it now, just a few years from today, you might look like this. So, in this video, I'll show you 10 daily habits that are secretly destroying your hair, but I'll also be giving you solutions to these problems. These are my top 10 tips. Number 1. Is your shampoo too strong? Your shampoo might be your hair's worst enemy. Many popular shampoos contain sulfates, harsh chemicals that create a lot of foam but remove your scalp's natural oil. This leaves your hair dry, weak, and easily damaged. The solution is to switch to a sulfate-free shampoo and a mild conditioner. These products clean your hair gently, leaving your hair soft and shiny. Now, how often you wash depends on your hair type. Curly hair typically needs a wash only once or twice a week. Wavy hair does well with 2 to 3 washes, while straight hair can handle 3 to 4. When you wash your hair, focus on cleaning your scalp, not the ends. The ends don't get dirty, so don't scrub them. After rinsing, apply conditioner only to the bottom half of your hair to keep those ends smooth and prevent breakage. Number 2. Excess hair product usage. I am a fan of hair products, but at the end of the day, they are chemicals that you're putting into your hair. It's okay to use them once in a while, maybe if you're going out for a party or for a special event. However, remember that these are chemicals not naturally present in your hair. That's why you should only use hair products once in a while. Maybe once every 2 weeks or once a month if you can. And every time you use them, you must wash them off correctly. First, rinse your hair with water. Then, apply a little bit of oil before you shampoo your hair. Once you've shampooed, you should finish by conditioning it. Number 3. Excess sunlight. As good as it is for your skin and your hair, and it does give you vitamin D, the harsh sunlight isn't good for you, because the sun is full of good stuff, but it also contains UV rays. So, ideally, if you really care about the health of your hair, avoid harsh sunlight for long periods of time. A simple tip is to always wear a cap when you go outside in the harsh sun. Number 4. Pollution. This is something you can't really escape, especially since most of us live in cities. What you can do is be smart about your hair products. Heavy products like gels and waxes tend to trap pollution, which can damage your hair. A better choice is to switch to lighter products. Think about using a serum, or even better, an organic hair cream. These are often made with natural ingredients, so you can use them daily without worrying about harming your hair. Number 5. Drying. Even drying your hair needs attention. There are 2 hair drying mistakes that are costing you hair. The first is harshly rubbing it with a towel. The biggest mistake people make is harshly rubbing wet hair with a towel. This causes breakage and weakens the roots over time. Instead, gently pat and press your hair while drying it with a towel. The best option is to use a microfiber towel. It absorbs water better and prevents damage. The second mistake is using a hairdryer. A hairdryer can be useful when you're in a hurry, but using it every day makes your hair thin, and it also dries out your scalp. And even if you are using it, then don't use hot air. Hot air completely destroys your hair and scalp. Number 6. Use the right hair oils. Most people use oil without noticing the real problem. Every oil has its own purpose. Some add shine, some reduce dandruff, and some help with growth. Let's go from the lightest to the strongest. Here are some oils with their main purpose, but the strongest one is rosemary oil. It is proven to give results as powerful as minoxidil when used regularly. But don't make these mistakes. Don't use too much oil on your hair, as it can cause dryness from overwashing. So, 4 to 5 drops are enough. Also, don't sleep with oil in your hair, because it clogs your follicles, which causes irritation. Finally, massage your scalp before shampooing. Studies have shown that massaging before you shampoo can increase your hair thickness by 10%. Number 7. Night habits. Most guys don't realize this, but the way you sleep can silently destroy your hair. There are 2 common mistakes that weaken your hair overnight. The first is sleeping with wet hair. Wet hair is weak, and when you move your head on the pillow, it creates friction. That friction damages the outer layer of your hair and weakens the strands from the root. If you shower at night, always make sure your hair is dry before you go to bed. Use a cool setting on your blow dryer for 2 or 3 minutes to remove excess moisture. The second mistake is using cotton pillowcases. Cotton absorbs your scalp's natural oils while you sleep, leaving your hair dry, frizzy, and prone to breakage. It also causes more friction as you move your head at night. The simple fix is switching to silk or satin pillowcases. They're smoother, help your hair retain moisture, and reduce friction. Try it for 1 week, and you'll notice your hair feels softer in the morning. Number 8. Diet and lifestyle. Does diet and lifestyle affect the health of your hair? There are 3 important factors. First, get your water intake done right. Make sure that most of the time your urine is clear. That means you're hydrated, and that means your skin and your hair will stay healthy. The second point is to focus on your protein intake. You need at least a gram of protein per kg of your body weight. And the third, most important point is to get your antioxidants in. You mainly get antioxidants from veggies and fruits. Ideally, you should give priority to veggies, because for that same amount in weight, your veggies are giving you a lot more nutrition and a lot more antioxidants. Number 9. Smoking. You have to avoid smoking if you care about the health of your hair. Yes, that's true because when you smoke, you're inhaling a lot of toxins which end up harming the follicular health. That means the root of your hair gets messed up because of your smoking habit. Number 10. Stress. The moment you're stressed, the moment you're anxious, your body elevates its own cortisol levels. Cortisol is a stress hormone that promotes the process of aging, so it affects the quality of your skin and the quality of your hair very badly and obviously may even cause hair loss in the long term. If you want more videos like this in future, then make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit that bell icon.